I am going to answer two technical question about Express middleware and database. Now, I want to say what is the purpose of Next in Express middleware? In Express, when a request comes to the server, it goes thought a series of middleware function. The next function is used to move the request from one middleware to the next state. It basically tells Express to continue the follow of execution. If we if we call next, the request moves forward and eventually reach the final response part. If we don't if we don't call next, we also don't send any response. Then the request will stop there. The browser will keep waiting and nothing will happen. So next is next function is more important to keep the request follow working properly in Express. Now I want to say what is the main difference between SQL and NoSQL database. The main difference between SQL and NoSQL is how they store and organize data. SQL database like PostgreSQL use a structure format with tables, row, and columns. They follow a fixed schema, which means the structure of data must be defined before storing it. SQL databases are very good for complex queries and relationships between data. On the other hand, NoSQL database like MongoDB and more flexible. They do not require a fixed schema and data can be stored in format like documents or key value pair. They makes NoSQL better for handling large amounts of understanding of chaining data. It simply works. SQL is more structured and strict, while NoSQL is a more flexible and scalable for modern application.